people dying everywhere and that the fever clinics are all overflowing. So what I'm going to do is go to check it out for myself and bring you guys along. Let's see. Hey you guys, it is the 20th of December here in Shanghai. I am at a fever clinic. If you can see here, it says 发热门诊 fever clinic. As you can see, there's hardly anyone waiting, maybe about 10 people. I asked one guy what he's waiting, how long he's been waiting for. Sorry, he said he's been waiting about 30 minutes. And he doesn't even have a fever. The only reason he's coming down here is to get a COVID test because he has a red code for some reason. So you can't go to a normal place for a test if you have a red code. You have to come to the fever clinic. So a lot of these people don't even have fevers, hardly anyone waiting, and not a long queue at all. Okay, next place. Okay, you guys, I'm at a little community fever clinic now. As you can see, nobody lining up. There is an old guy sitting inside who's a bit uncomfortable. I think he's got a fever at the moment. But yeah, second place, 20th of December, no overflow here. Hey you guys, now I'm at the fever clinic I was at the other day, and obviously the same here. There's no lines. A few people inside sitting down, maybe uncomfortable, maybe they have a fever. I'm not sure, but I also thought I'd better grab a copy of a paper from today to prove to you today that is the 20th of December. Now this is the Shanghai Morning Post, and quite ironically or interestingly, it says on the cover here, all of the city's community fever clinics are activated, in use. So apparently there's over 2,000 community fever clinics set up, or 2,500 around Shanghai. So there's no queues, there's no people dying on the streets like you're reading online. So just be careful what you believe online. I hope today showed you guys a bit of the real situation here in Shanghai. 20th of December 2022. Everything is going just fine. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.